truck! Oh my gosh, welcome back to another game video. We're back with Sons of the Forest. Nom nom nom. Chompy chompy. Anyways, I have a man silently judging me from the background. Do not mind him. You won't hear him. But trust me, he's definitely there. Totally trust me, I'm not going insane. Are these a good bit? They're just blackberries. They're black. Let's get my trusty handy dandy Cantinio. My... Oh. Did anything respawn? Yep. Like, I have to make battery. Let's go. Fuel, battery. Let's get some resin. Let's see what we can make. Arrow, blast, mask, grappling hooks, tech mesh. Nothing I need right now. So, let's go. So, I've realized something playing this game. Perhaps where all the enemies are is where you're meant to go. And that's perhaps where all the good loot is. So, I sure do hope it stays. Let's go. Where's Calvin? Fall is coming and I hate that. Why is it so dark? Because I can't see crap in caves. Oh yes, the brightness. Oh, it's so much better now. Hey Calvin. You ready to go on adventures that we are never going to be told, that we're never going to talk about ever again? That sounds like a disappointing yes, but why are they already after me? I just start. Screw you, man. Ah, he hit me. Where are they? Ay! Yo. Oh, he slaps like a truck. You don't want the smoke, man. Finally, you're dead. It appears I have wanted level 7 on me. Oyster. That did nothing. Oh, whatever. Molotov? Yeah. Good mollies. My best weapon. And more. Eat. EFP berry. No, did it make any healing? I did not. I see an energy bar. I did not make any healing, it appears. Take some feathery arrow. Oh, I have accuracy but I have accuracy -1,000,000. Anyways, objective number 1. Go to the cave that is far out to shore. Way over there that I made a base to. No. Is he eating the poisonous berries? Oh, he drank. Hey, follow me. Oh, come on! Where they? Bruh. You don't want the smoke, man. Wherever Calvin goes, there's gonna be not a lot of danger. I missed. Let's go, toe nibblers. That's what I'll call you. Toe nibblers. Apparently I have one apparently I have one to level 5 on me. Bro, there's you better not hurt Calvin, bro. Bruh. Bro, man's dying on the ground like that. Tail nibblers. What the hell? Oh, I have a plan. I just gotta run over, get my Molotovs, and burn them to a crisp. And then I gotta go retrieve Calvin. Molotov, I choose you. Where the hell am I? Don't mind me, I'm just getting my weapon of mass destruction now. You don't want to smoke! Literally. The problem too. My fire axe, I gotta go get Calvin. Are you alive? Bro, how did you get out of there though? I won't question, he's mystical. Alright, I have new plans. Kill everything in sight. Let me eat some of my meds. Yummy. Anyways, murder. Oh, come on. Mercy is not. Let's go. It's mine now. Back at. Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to do that. What the? Crackers. You got cocky. Biggest mistake. I feel motivated to murder. Eat. Rope stick. North. There we go. He's back. Yay. Alright, that completely sidetracked me. Alright, off. I'm back on my mission. I'm a man with a mission and you can't stop me. No, I really just don't want to deal with that, honestly. Gotta admit. What can I make? I can make the tech armor? I'm gonna do it, boy. Copper type battery. God, tech armor. Cool. Actually, not so technology. Anyways, I'm just all pure. Now, did the leader escape? He did. Oh, I have an idea. Stay right there for 2 seconds. Oh, I have no arrows, so I forgot. Military. Tech. I missed. I missed. Oh god, he's coming at me! Complete dodge. elbow, so plus ratio.
Yes, matrix.
This, yeah. Oh, I have an idea. Oh, I'm out of rocks. I don't think it's a good idea to stick and fight. Oh, he's angry. Got him.
He's very mad.
Expert fighting strategy. Oh god! Damn it! He anticipated my movements. Yeah. Him. Y'all. You ain't gonna hit this, boy. Man's literally holding a dismembered spine. Oh, you ain't. I did it! He's dead. Alright, I make sure. There we go. He's dead. Alright, I think we're good. Dynamic weather. Cavemen. I hate this. You hit my man. He said he's good. You just gotta attack him, it's bad. Stun them and then they just die. Oh, get away from my man. I found a way on how to beat the hell out of him. Yeah, my man. I have no clue where he's going. What magical fire I have here. I think I'm gonna save. Alright, I'm off to continue my mission to get to somewhere to get the shovel.
Are you trying to commission?
I have enough rocks to make arrows. Feathers, a bunch of sticks in there. I may not be the best with sticks, but hey, it's something. Alright, and I go, wish me luck, Calvin. I know, I do be believing that the funnies are in here. Ammo, bullets, cans, a dead guy, ammo, cereal brand. I don't like the sound of that. Primary tactic, run away. What gets me every time? What the hell? Oh god. I don't have fire to kill with, but I do got flares. Or something. Yeet. How not cool. Oh, you better not be coming. He sees me, damn it. How do you see me? You literally have no eyes. Oh. I have to hide. Where did you go? Oh god, I don't like this. I missed. No, I actually hit something with it. I'm out. Damn it. Up. I think they really know about my existence now. I'm sure more can be found. I felt like I did something. Alright, I'm going in. It seems to be I've done something very effective. Come at me. Oh, come on, there's multiple of you. Now that's just unfair. Fine. He's coming at me, he's coming at me. Yeah. Come on, snap. Ooh. Come on, come at me. Scared. Oh, come on, JDs. What should I do? Can I make more of? Can I make more? Let's see. I need more pebbles. I remember it saying I can make a ball. Oh, I used my circuit board. Come on, come at me. Idiot. What? Internal affairs. No. Hey, bro, there's so many. There, I can see it. What the? Tactical slingshot? I missed. I'm out. Again. What do I have to use? The key. I missed. Is this still lit? Why is it? I kill this. I don't like that. I really don't like that. I gotta repair my battery. True, I'm a fight. True, I'm going in. I'm a fight it. that's a truck. So many. He's getting angry. He's dead. I killed one. He's angry. HP? Yeah, give me a little. And all I need is a little. I need that armor, man. Come on, don't judge me.
This is actually entertaining.
I know. Bro, my heart is racing. Bro, I feel the adrenaline. Come on, come at me. You afraid? Die, Peter Cannibal.
Oh, it's cannibal?
I did it! I cleared out that area! I lived! I survived! Wait, is that all of them? Oh, come on! Am I ready? I'm ready. They're easy as long as you get them early. That is, if they aren't tanky like mutants. It means that basically everything in the cave is so snappy. As I was saying, basically everything in this damn cave is immune. Where do they keep coming from? Well, more armor for me. So the cannibals are easy. It's a matter if I can kill the mutants, that is. Alright, lower loot. I need anything to give me HP. Good enough. What?
How are mutants hard?
They have a lot of HP. They have very different attack paths to a normal, to like a cannibal, and they hit like a truck. I'm gonna go this way. Seems pretty good. Seems like they'll be goodies this way. Sounds like there's something. Or it could be you don't want to smoke, man. He wants to smoke. I'm ready. Ah, he hit me. I should have done that. Oh yeah, they don't get stunned, so it's a matter if you can bait them good enough. Wolf backing off. Oh hey, he's dead. Bro, he cheeked up. Wait, what? That better not be anything. Bro, I feel so vulnerable in this state. Alright. Let's see what else is in this cave. Die. There's so many damn fingers. That's not a metaphor. I literally mean they're named fingers. They are quite literally named fingers. Kill him, easy peasy. He's the hard one. Oh god, he hit me. Oh god, he can now do damage. I got him. Let's go. The skin will be mine. Give me that armor, boy. Bro, you don't believe how else. Bro, my hands are literally shaking. I remember the last time a horror game did this to me. The sound of walking. Armor up, armor up. Got some ammo, a grenade. He didn't pull the pin, unfortunately. So he had to suffer a death. Yes, boy! Now give me your skin. Is there really nothing this way? Surely I went some way wrong. Surely.
Although living on the beach might seem
Oh, come on,
like
that.
we have struggles like everyone else. These are my friends. This is my life. And this is Dana Point, California.
This way.
Fridays at 9 on KXTV.
Interesting. Oh god, what are these? It's the children. Oh no, oh no! It's the mama. God, get off of me. Don't dare die. You ain't hitting me anytime soon. Suck. You suck. I got him. He's dead. Give me that stuff. Give me that, you're dead. You don't need your skin anymore. I hate how this game's actually really good. Children, I swear. I'm a vein of octopods. Bro, they're deleting this armor. What? Eat this child. These birth defected ridden babies. A stun gun! Let's go! Whoa, oh no. What was that? I believe it's loaded, I think. Anyway, so now we got that, but I believe there's more in this cave considering there's that intersection. That's how the calm music for this cave. I'll head back to that intersection. No, what if I went? I'm out here. Screw this. Screw you. Oh boy, he's coming in. Screw you. Now give me your skin and I'm out here. I'm going the other way now.
That game is funny.
Yeah. Give me your skin so that I can survive. Oh, I'm off the second path. There's an awful lot of water here. Stupid children. Right, killing him out. My oh no, my battery's not in screw soon. My battery expand the old brainy, yay. Let's go. Hey, this is a pretty nice area. I like it. I like it, I like it. I like it, this is cool. Wait. Oh, I know what this. I sure do hope there's no shark in these waters, eh? Where is this? I'm taking this. I hope you don't mind. Can I? Hey, I'm a rebreather. Thingy here. I can. Let me save. Cause I don't think I wanna die. Alright, so I saw this on the trailer. I believe there's a shark here. Don't mind what I had in my inventory. So, screw it. Into the deep end. So from what I hear, there's a way out this way, so God help me. Yes, I'm free. Oh crap, it's the middle of the night, literally. And Alvin's waiting for me. I made it out. Scot-free. Let's go. Time to rest. That was really eventful, to say the least. Now I just have a house inside of the cave, so why? I don't know. Oh. Hey, get back up. Something I say you could not exist. Sleep. Let's go, daylight. Yeah. Actually, I think I want to replace. Actually, no. I'm just gonna keep using these saves until a time comes up where I don't want to use these two saves. Oh, come on! Right. Well, free. I just got out of the torture ridden cave wall, and now you want me to go through this? What? 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 I'm sure it's fine. I don't think he knows who he's messing with. I hope my man get up. This is my last victim. Strong move. Alright, let's get this. Oh. It's an interesting camp. I think I can deal with it. I think. Probably. Maybe. But they did. Mighty. It's all mine. Right to the is. Oh well, here comes reinforcements. Scav war. Brutality. Something I don't see over there. Scav war. Well, I'm too good. Can you let me leave your camp in peace now? Alright. Good, good. Yeah. Where are you scaring my boy from? My mans. There's a cat.
Are you trying to commission?
What the? What? Yo, it's the first mutants above ground. I've dealt with you in the caves. It's no different up here. You're in Minecraft. You're in my territory now, boy. I'm gonna need this. What? Where are they? Their dad killed them. Their dad got used to their combat patterns. And now they're here to fight me unprepared. Like, you got this, man? Oh yeah, I got this. I just got gnawed down on some meds. No, he ain't for me, he's more like... You know what? No, he's chasing. I'll get into that cave there. They're kind of stopping me. I'll do the only logical thing I have. Light them on fire. Help me. Go. Stay away from my boy, man. More? Fight me. On, let me do something. On, quick break, quick break. Alright, now you can fight. Oh, damn it. Hey, now you can fight me. Wait, what? I didn't know the AR was that bad. I knew it was a back, but I didn't know it was that good. He jumped in there and leaped right over it.
We underestimated.
I underestimated his power. Battle of the century. Yankee that he intruded on our great battle of the century. Yeah, the music. Oh god, bruh! Keep me out of your feud, man. Keep me out of it. Now let me skin you. I see you're trying to attack health with time. That's a man. Come on. Go. How dare you try and attack my man like that? Oh, he has skin pouch. Let's go. Loot. But I really underestimated his power like that. Let's see what we got. Some stuff. Alright, cool. I knew it. I knew you dumbasses would come out here to try and fight me. Worst mistake of your life. Anyway, so I hope you like the video. Like, subscribe, see you later. Oh, come on. Like, subscribe, I gotta save yo, quick yo. Like, subscribe, I'll see you later. Goodbye.
Hey, CEO, are you trying to commit